Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Yolanda Kurnia Putri and my friend
My name is Abdul Madi.
and my friend and my name is Desi Kurniawati. Today we will make bakwan. Keep on watching.
Ingredients: oil, vegetables, butter, bakwan flour, winey, flavoring, garlic, coriander, and candela nut. Tools: pan, drain, reliable, knife, implant, cutting board. Wash the vegetables thoroughly. Next, cut the carrots and cabbage into small pieces. And also chop the celery and leeks. Then puree coriander, garlic, and hazelnut until soft. Then put the bakwan flour into the basin. And don't forget to add flavoring to taste. Also add the ground spices. Pour in water, then stir until evenly distributed. After stirring until evenly distributed, add the carrots, cauliflower, celery, and leeks. Stir again until well blended. Then turn on the stove. Fry the bakwan using high heat for 1 minute. Finally, remove the bakwan using a drain, then drain. Bakwan is ready to eat. Good.